2021 Chevy Silverado. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery.
All right, so what you're going to do is flip it over. We're going to remove this back panel here. At the bottom of the remote, there's a slot right here, okay? You're going to get your flathead screwdriver, put it in, turn it clockwise. All right, you see how it cracked open right there? All right, and we can just finish it off by just prying it off like that. And we can take it off. Here's our battery. It already wants to just jump right out. Okay, they're spring loaded. We'll just pull it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR 2032 battery. All right. We're going to stick it in here like that and get the cover. Make sure the battery is where it needs to go. It's going to want to jump out of here. Place it on top. Snap it back together and you're all done.